Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can turn on Mi Glance, or you can say lock screen wallpaper automatically on your Realme phone. So friends, before we start it, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to set or to turn on this automatically lock screen wallpaper, you can say magazine, you just tap on setting. After tapping on setting, here you have to scroll on the down. When you scroll down, here you can see the display option. So here you have to tap on display. After tapping on display, from here you have to scroll on the down again. After scrolling, here you can see the option of the many options. Okay, but you have to scroll down to lock screen. When you tap on lock screen, from here you can see the Glance for Realme. Okay, so you have to tap on Glance for Realme. After tapping on Glance for Realme, here you can see the icons of the turn on option Glance for Realme. Just tap on this icon. After that, this you can select the language and categories also. If you want to select in okay, you can select from here. If you want to select from here, you just tap follow following. Okay, if you unfollow this will not come, this will not appear as your Mi Glance. And if you tap on follow, this everything will be appear as Mi Glance. Okay, as advertised. Okay, you can select the English, Hindi, or whatever. Okay, if this is the language, choose options, you can select from here. And friends, from here you can update also, last content update, you can update also if you want to update. And here is the Glance app version. If you want to check, you can check it. And if you want to off, then you just tap on this icon, you can off successfully. Okay, I'll show you here right now. Just off, and then on here your wallpaper will be changed. Okay, so here cannot show, that's why I'll show you again. I off, and on here again it has been changed. Okay, so friends, like this you can change your automatically wallpaper. Okay, you can turn on this one. Okay friends, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, do not forget to like it and subscribe my channel. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye.